New series on the channel. Okay, old, revamped, recycled, whatever. Lazy series, whatever. The point of this is simple. I'm revamping or sort of redoing the series I used to do called The Sounds of. Now, what that series was the sounds of weapons and other things in Black Ops 3 multiplayer, I believe it was, and I think a little bit of zombies and a little bit of World War II. Basically, I would just do a short clip or short video featuring a certain sound in the game, a certain gun, certain whatever. I figured I would try and redo it again here in Black Ops 4 for any, completely blind or low vision people who rely on sound in zombies and the game, or just to simply educate some people with vision or people who don't pay attention to sound that much, like just so you know the sounds of each gun or certain sounds in the game. Luckily, Black Ops 4 has a lot of sounds in the game, so I could do a decent length series. Now, the videos themselves won't be that long; they'll be fairly short, most likely with a little bit of commentary behind the weapon or certain sound. But typically, I'll just mute the mic and just record some gameplay with that certain weapon or whatever it may be. You just can hear the sound, and then there you go. It shouldn't be that long. It should be decent length of videos, or amount of videos I should say, and the video length should be rather short. But this first one will be a bit longer just for the context and description of this future series. Again, if you guys are enjoying, or if you guys are, I don't know, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like to show me that you guys want me to keep doing this and see how this goes. Don't forget to comment your next sound of video you'd like to hear. Keep in mind, these will most likely just be zombies related. It will most likely, if it's left up to me and you guys don't comment, it'll left up to be gun sounds. I was thinking start with the starting weapons because it's the simplest to get footage of or gameplay sounds for, and then move into like menus and other things, like because the menus make unique sounds depending on what you select and customize for your class. So there you go. That's all I can think of to talk about in the beginning of this. If you guys stick around to the beginning of the actual gameplay, let me know in the comment section below. Let me know any suggestions you might have for what sounds you may not be familiar with, or what you may want to hear next, just to see if you are not hearing things and you're just going crazy. I don't know, maybe. I should probably mention that the sound of this video will be the Welling pistol. It's the very first pistol you get in the game. It's the first pistol you can use, and you can't choose any pistol outside of this until you level up. So I'm just gonna get a bit of gameplay with the pistol and then end it. Yeah, we'll see how this goes. Shouldn't be hard.
No power, but this is government facility. Did America forget to pay electric bill? Payment for boarding walls too low. Nikolai should start union. Are we here on purpose, or was accident? Why hell pig still chasing us, and... Hey, where's my vodka?
Close application. Level. Call of Duty Black Ops 4.
Time for too close shave! Anyone want want to swap guns? Mine is completely full of bullets. Yep, completely. Where is Richtofen? Crazy Sherman is always scheming. Saw him earlier, laughing to self while playing with his golden rod. It's not what it sounds like.